Managing the maintenance needs of your fleet is a juggling act. There are many responsibilities to keep your eye on, all at the same time. From maintenance and repairs on all makes and models, to increasing uptime and reducing downtime, to reporting and analytics, to managing third-party vendors, and much more. But what if there were a better way? Well, there is. Welcome to Ford Pro Maintenance Management. Our ASE certified master technicians are subject matter experts with deep knowledge, experience, and tools to help you save time and money on maintenance and repairs. Our team devotes 100% of their time going over all the details to minimize costs and help maximize uptime. Here's what one of our customers had to say.
Service and repair facilities want to upsell, so we decided to give maintenance management a try. I thought this could save some money, and if we could save some time too, that's perfect. My top goal is to keep our vehicles in good working order and on the road. Then of course, I want to save the company money. I'm doing all this with the help of maintenance management.
For each of our customers, our team compiles data, reviews work orders, evaluates whether the work is necessary or not, negotiates parts pricing and labor time, and ensures warranty coverage is utilized. Some of this detailed work is performed with industry-standard software that allows our technicians to compare standard labor hours for a repair against the actual quote. This helps them make maintenance recommendations for customers. Here's what one of our clients stated.
Ford Pro's maintenance management program has been a game changer for our fleet operations. With a dedicated team of ASE certified mechanics reviewing every repair bill, we have a second layer of oversight that ensures we are only paying for necessary repairs at the most competitive rates. This level of accountability not only drives down maintenance costs, but also maximizes vehicle uptime, keeping our fleet on the road and our business running efficiently.
Another advantage of Ford Pro Maintenance is that we have access to more than 100,000 maintenance and repair facilities, including dealerships, national chains, and independents. And even though the work is detailed, turnaround is fast to keep your vehicles on the road. With Ford Pro Maintenance Management, you can be assured that only the work you need will be performed on all makes and models at a fair price, regardless of where you go for service. Besides maintenance management, Ford Pro offers driver risk management, fleet management software, title and registration, accident management, and many more services. Contact your Ford Pro representative for more information or go to fordpro.com today.